Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to play and place bet in the Hard Rock Bet app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Hard Rock Bet app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home screen, you will see a list of sport and events like football, basketball or baseball. Tap on the sport or game you want to bet on. Browse the available betting options such as money line, point spread or totals. Tap on the odds of the bet you want to place. This add it to your bet slip at the bottom of the screen. Open your bet slip and type in the amount of money you want to wager. You will see the potential winnings display before you confirm. If you have a bonus bet or promotion, select it in the bet slip to apply it to your wager. This is optional but you can give your extra value. Tap place bet to confirm. Your bet is now active and will appear in your open bets section. You can check the my bets or open bet tab to see your active bets. Once the event finishes, your winnings will be added to your account balance. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to play in the Hard Rock Bet app on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.